Howdy, friends. Corey Moser with Nationwide Loans. As you can see, I'm repping my Utah State sweatshirt. They played last night in the Mountain West Conference Tournament and beat UNLV and have moved on and will play a late game tonight against Colorado State. So hoping to see them get into the big dance. Looking good. If they win this one, they go up against the winner of Boise State and New Mexico. So hoping for good things there. Here's a recap of what happened with mortgage rates this week. They didn't move much. They did move higher, but not by much. There was a lot of mixed data in the capital markets. Some good news is that the annual core inflation fell to a 3.5-year low to 3.1%. But inflation still is a little bit stubborn as costs of goods have continued to rise. Investors are actually waiting for the Federal Reserve to make an announcement next week in their meeting. I think the anticipation is that they'll continue on the path they're on, but there is a lot of expectation because of the inflation data dropping to a 3.5-year low that maybe they'll consider dropping rates further. Tariff uncertainty dominated market sentiment, leading to volatility in equities and mixed movement in bonds. So the 30-year fixed rate this week's edged up slightly to 6.65%, but definitely much lower than it was a year ago. And the 15-year fixed is currently at 5.80%. So we lost that movement that we had of 7 consecutive weeks of lower rates, but not by much. So let's hope next week will be more good news about mortgage rates. The nice thing is we're currently offering a 30-year fixed rate that you can capture just under 6% on a purchase or a refinance. And we also have cash out refinance loans up to 90% with no mortgage insurance. So if you'd like to know more about those options, feel free to DM me, send me a text at 801-403-7351, or give me a call. My office number is 801-893-3338. And we'll talk to you again next week. Have a great weekend.